Hey home shoppers, Greg Luchak with Coldwell Banker, and today I'm bringing you a fantastic home video walkthrough. We're in Northwest Colorado Springs in the Rockrimmon neighborhood. Welcome to 539 Rolling Hills Drive. Welcome to the Discovery at Ravencrest neighborhood, tucked into one of the most desirable pockets of the Rockrimmon area here in beautiful Colorado Springs. This location is hard to beat. You've got immediate access to scenic walking and biking trails right from outside the complex. Quick access to I-25, and you're just minutes from some of the area's best local dining and everyday conveniences. This is one of the more unique and one of the best units in the entire complex. This is a full end unit offering over 1,500 total square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a ranch layout that truly works for everyday living. You've got fantastic curb appeal with brick accents. You've got an assigned parking spot, as well as plenty of guest parking throughout the complex. As we step inside, you're immediately welcomed by soaring vaulted ceilings and durable waterproof laminate flooring that carries throughout the majority of the main level. The living room centers around this beautiful wood-burning fireplace with custom wood paneling that add to the style and character. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed with plenty of cabinet storage, generous countertop space, and newer stainless steel appliances. It is functional and very stylish. And from this kitchen, you can step out directly onto the upper level wood deck, where you'll be able to enjoy open views over Rockrimmon, as well as your own backyard space below. The main level also has 2 spacious bedrooms, including a true primary suite, a rare find. The primary bathroom, as you can see, has been updated beautifully. The secondary bedroom on this level is equally versatile, perfect as a guest room or flex space, or works really well as a home office. Now let's go downstairs, because this lower level really expands what this home has to offer. Again, the fully finished walkout lower level opens into a bright and functional family room space. It's full of natural light with direct access to the backyard. Step outside and you'll find a fully fenced yard with a gardening space, low maintenance landscaping, and plenty of outdoor space to enjoy as you wish. Through these double French doors, you've got a massive bedroom downstairs. It really works as a secondary primary. The space has plenty of room for a bedroom set, as well as a sitting area, as well as access to the adjacent full bathroom on the lower level. Thank you so much for coming with me to check out one of the cutest condos you'll find anywhere. For more information on this home, please visit our website at www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a private tour, always give me a call at 719-271-8888. And we are offering a 2.5% realtor compensation to anybody who brings us a buyer, so realtors bring us a buyer. Thanks so much.